know y'all always be acting like you're working when I got customers.
We are working. What if we actually did just walk around with the camera and act like we were? Hey happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this 2024 Grand Design Imagine AIM 15 RB. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification so you're notified every time we post a video. Now, let's get started. Starting out on our entertainment side, out here we do have an awning, so if you want to be nice and shaded while you're outdoors, you can easily do that. We also do have an LED strip that goes all the way across the bottom of that awning to keep things nice and bright out here. We even have an outdoor kitchen, so let's go look at that. On the outside of your Imagine, we do have a nice little griddle down here. This is perfect so you can cook some burgers while you're outdoors. Now, let's check out the storage. In the front of your Imagine AIM, we do have our pass-through storage space. This is where you can put all of your things that get nasty outside, and since they do get a little bit dirty, they've given you an easy to clean out floor down here, and this flooring even has a little bit of grip surface to it, so things are going to stay placed while you're going down the road. Also on that side, we do have our convenience bay with all the hookups you're going to need while you're at the campground. Now, let's check out the inside. When you first walk into your Imagine, over on the left-hand side, down below is a little shoe cubby for your shoes. So when you first walk in, you can just kick those off and easily place them over there. And then if you walk over here on your right-hand side is your control panel and your main light switch with a dimmer. So this is where you control all your lights and your awnings. Now, let's check out the living space. In your living space, you do have seamless lights up top. This is a newer upgrade from Grand Design. These lights are placed over the seams of the camper, so it makes everything just look more put together and very bright in here. Also in your living space, you have tons of storage. On both sides of this couch is storage spaces with a hanging rod in there to hang up all of your clothes. Right here is a couch perfect for all your guests to sit on and take a break. There's even a cup holder area right here so they can place their drinks. But if they're a little bit sleepy and want to take a nap, this actually rolls into a queen size Murphy bed. There's even more storage in here. On both sides, we do have little cubby holes so you can place your phones in there, because there's also electrical outlets and a USB and USB-C port in both of those. Now, check out your kitchen. One thing to mention about this Imagine AIM is that it doesn't have any slides in here, so this layout is perfect to be more of a compact area. So let's take a look at your kitchen. Your kitchen is beautiful and there's lots of storage in here. So over on this side, we do have a USB port right here, and the top of this is actually a wireless charging pad. So if you just want to set your phone right there to charge while you cook, you can easily do that. This is your sink right here. It opens up and your sink moves up so you can wash your dishes or wash your hands. We also have lots of countertop space and tons of storage for all of your groceries in here. Over here is where you're going to be making all of your food at. We do have a 2-burner stovetop. You have your convection microwave. This works as your microwave and your oven. We also have a big storage drawer down here. This is a little deeper, so you can put a couple pots and pans in here. It's not huge, so not a lot of area, but you can definitely put most in there. We also have our fridge and freezer over here. This opens up and gives you a nice roomy fridge, and you have your freezer drawer down here. So if you're gonna wanna bring some ice cream to the campground, you're gonna have room to do that. Up here is kind of your pantry area. It goes all the way back in here, so you can definitely put all of your groceries away in there. It's honestly tall enough you could probably put a nice big size of cereal in there as well. Now, let's check out your dinette. Across from your kitchen is your dining area. This is your dinette, perfect to eat a meal as a family, and this actually easily pushes down and this transforms into a sleeping space, so a couple more people can tag along at the campground with you. You also have this gorgeous window right here, so you're not missing out on any of those campground views. And this is also your entertainment space, because above me we do have a TV, and it is on a swivel, so multiple people can watch it from different parts of the camper. Now, let's check out that bathroom. This is called a 15 RB for a reason. RB stands for rear bath, and you do have a nice rear bathroom back here. Don't worry about those campground bathrooms because you're not going to need it with this thing. Back here we do have a step to flush toilet, and we have our sink area over here with lots of storage. You have your medicine cabinet that opens up and gives you lots of storage in the back. A large countertop space. You can put all of your hairstyling tools. Back here you have your sink, a nice little hanging rack for your towels, and a little bit more storage over here. Now let's check out the best part, which is the shower. Over here we have a nice tall shower with a skylight. They've even given you a couple shelves right here for all of your soaps, and there's a detachable shower head. So if you like this Imagine or any other units in our Grand Design line, make sure you give us a call or visit us at cookvillerv.com, where your adventure awaits.